No, I'm just enjoying my food and then this fucking little crazy fucking bastard. Hey, get the fuck out of here.
Oakley, come here. Come here.
In the box. Go.
I'll get anything to be TikTok famous. 1, 2.
Mama, you throw that dog in the pool and you're going back to live with your mother.
Lucky bat.
Officer, how you doing? Good to see you. Sir, how you doing? Sir? Mary, how you doing? Good to see you.